Have you ever wanted to crochet something small and cute, but also bendable and shapeable? Today, I'm making a super simple crochet project that becomes extra special once we turn it into a keychain. And here's the fun part. We are using a special material inside to help it hold its shape. No complicated stitches, no magic ring, no stitch counting. Make sure you watch until the end, because I will show you how I shaped it and turned it into a finished keychain. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I share easy crochet ideas for beginners and handmade gifts. If you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet and cute keychains, consider subscribing. It really helps support my channel. Alright, let's get started. For this little project, we will need 4 pi mil cotton yarn, needle, scissors, 2.5 mm hook, glue, stitch marker, eyes, and foil paper. I will list everything in the description below. Let's start by making a snipped knot using our fingers. Take the yarn and lay it across the fingers. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to form a loop. Now, cross the working yarn over the tail so it forms an X shape on your fingers. Next, use your fingers to wrap the string at the back and pull it through the loop in front. Then gently pull the working yarn to tighten it. Now, insert your hook into the loop and adjust the tightness. Next, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the first chain we made and crochet 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker into that first stitch so we don't lose it. Then, working into the same stitch, make 7 more single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives us a total of 8 single crochets. Once you are done, remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook back into the third stitch and make 1 single crochet to close it and form a small round base. After that, just continue crocheting single crochets around and around to build up your piece. No increases, no decreases, no counting, just focus on keeping your stitches relaxed and even. Continue crocheting until the tube reaches 9 cm. If your stitches don't look perfect, that's completely okay. Crochet is about enjoying the process, not about perfection. Now, I will cut the yarn tail a bit shorter and just tuck it inside so we don't see it. When the tube reaches about 9 centimeters, we can fasten off and leave a long yarn tail for sewing later. Then repeat the same steps to make a second piece, but this time make it longer, about 14 centimeters. Here comes the special part of this project. We're going to use aluminum foil inside the crochet pieces. Cut a piece of foil about the same length as our crochet tube. Fold and roll it into a smooth thin tube shape. Make sure there are no sharp edges before inserting it. Then, gently slide the foil tube into our crochet piece. That is what makes this project different. The foil allows the crochet piece to hold its shape back easily, stay in the position we choose. It turns a simple crochet tube into something postable and fun. Once the foil is inside, we can close the opening. Repeat the same steps for the second piece. Now comes the fun part, shaping. Thanks to the foil inside, we can easily bend the crochet pieces into any shape we like. For the shorter piece, I'm going to shape it like a number 7. and for the longer piece, I will shape it like a number 6. Next, sew the 2 pieces together using the yarn tails. Next, attach the eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of glue to secure them onto the crochet piece. I'd love to know what shape would you create with this bendable crochet piece. Let me know in the comments below. And if you are a beginner, tell me how long you've been crocheting. I always love hearing your crochet stories. If this is your first crochet project, you did amazing. Remember, we don't need magic rings, we don't need complicated stitch counting, and sometimes just use a simple special material can completely change our projects. Finally, attach the keychain hardware at the top. And just like that, your cute bendable crochet keychain is complete. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy crochet projects. I will see you in the next video.